In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch back to Figma's previous UI. If you are a regular Figma user, chances are you've opened it up recently and had the interface completely change on you. It looks basically nothing like it did before. Your tools are down here. So for a lot of people, if you are used to working in the old UI or you're trying to follow along an older Figma tutorial, it's really hard to figure out what's going on here. So to get that old interface back, you're going to go down to the bottom right of your screen where we have this question icon. We are going to click that question mark, and then kind of towards the bottom, you're going to see go back to previous UI. Click that, and that will bring it back to how it used to be. If you end up deciding that you do want to use that new UI, you can go back down to that question mark and change it right back. So that is how you switch back to Figma's previous UI. I hope this was helpful, and subscribe for more videos.